Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how much money I and other YouTubers make per 1000 views. In other words, we are going to discuss what is called CPM, which means literally cost per 1000 views. But before starting, you have to put in mind that there is no fixed amount of money YouTube pay for every 1000 views. It differs from creator to another one. I know a lot of you thought that YouTubers are being paid only $2 to $3 for every 1000 views. This is absolutely wrong because some creators are paid even more than $50 for every 1000 views. As I said before, there is something called CPM which differs from channel to another, but the question right now is how YouTube calculate how much money to pay for its creators for every 1000 views. So to determine your CPM, YouTube takes into consideration many factors. The first one is the type of content you upload to your YouTube channel. For example, a creator like PewDiePie who uploads random and funny videos is going significantly to make less money per 1000 views than another creator who uploads videos about technology, revisions, or software, which advertisers are willing to pay more for to put an ad on. The second factor is simply the geographical location of your audience. The amount of money that YouTube pays for every 1000 views from United States, Canada, Australia, or Europe is not absolutely the same as the amount to be paid for the same number of views from some African or Asian countries. If someone from the United States, as an example, interacted with an ad on your video, this will make you earn more money than what you will earn from thousands of views. Yes, thousands of views from some other countries. The third factor that determines your channel CPM is the interactivity of viewers with ads on your videos. What I mean is that you will get more dollars if your audience watches ads to the end and maybe click on the ad and make an action such as buying or visiting a website and etc. But if your viewers skip the ad directly after it's showing up, that means that you will not get anything from such views. Now let us go to my channel revenue statistics to make a short look to my channel CPM. As you see difference, my CPM right now is around $5.60. As I said before, this CPM is not the same all the time. It can be changed up and down every day depending on the factors which I have discussed before. So if you take a deep look on my analytics, you can understand the developments of how much money I was paid by YouTube for every 1000 views. One important thing to mention is that playback CPM differs from video to another. As an example, you can see my channel videos. Some videos CPM is very high. It reaches $30 for every 1000 views, but other CPM is less than $5. So I hope you will find this video useful for you to understand more about YouTube CPM and how much it pays for every 1000 views. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.